Social Equity, and Dr. Whitney, we'd like to thank you for taking this short moment out of your time to just reflect and take a moment to just realize what is transpiring in our country and how just little moments of your time that you are offered for those folks that have, without any fault of their own, were just going out to have a celebration and are no longer with us. And so we just want to thank you and try to help us in our conversations that we have with the Juneteenth celebration and the whole idea of justice for all. And what can we do as small people or very together and transcend just small moments of time and reflect what we do. And so we don't understand why tragedy does happen, but if you feel like you give up your minutes to reflect on the families that have lost loved ones, those that have actually received wounds that are still here, they're going to need physical, emotional, mental, and how those small moments of just giving your prayers and your moments of silence and transcend across time and miles. So again, on behalf of the Office of Social Equity, Dr. Whitney, and the Presidential Commission on LGBT Concerns, we thank you. Take this and reflect on it, and be willing to have those courageous conversations. Help us to go beyond diversity, and help us to be able to reflect and share and really be able to communicate what's going on with our country and how we can, even in Clarion, be more global and create change for good. So again, I thank you for your time and your reflection.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
My name is Ron Radecker. I am the Presidential Commission co-chair for the LGBT Commission for the President here at Clarion University. The reason why we decided to gather today was just to kind of take a moment to reflect on the lives lost or the tragedy that occurred this past Sunday in Orlando. But not just taking a moment for this tragedy, but all of the tragedies that our country has been going through, and how just even just being here in Clarion, just taking that moment of silence or prayer, and how that can transcend healing to those that definitely need it during these tragic times. And then how can we then culminate as an educational institution and create those courageous conversations that our country so greatly needs, so that we can move forward and we can become a nation of one people.